For some folks, deteriorating sidewalks lined with a few cracks or bumps may not seem like a big deal. But for others traveling by wheelchair, they can be a major inconvenience. CBS 5 reporter John Ramos tells us of a Santa Rosa man who has made it his mission to make the city's sidewalks a little bit safer.
Oh, my goodness.
Philip Grizide has severe arthritis in his hips, and whenever his motorized chair hits the slightest bump, it's a jarring experience.
Oh.
So the Santa Rosa resident has made it his mission in life to attack the problem of uneven sidewalks. And his weapon in this battle is a can of paint. His markings are everywhere in this neighborhood. At first, the city didn't seem to mind, sending out work crews to patch the worst spots.
And then all of a sudden, just this last week or so, they called that we don't want your paint anymore, you're making a mess.
Grizide uses temporary paint that fades quickly in sunlight, but he's considering using permanent paint on bad spots that don't get fixed. And he doesn't limit himself to the public sidewalks. If he spots a hazard on private property, it gets sprayed too, even if that's not exactly legal.
But I said, well, hello, what judge is going to jail me for this, you know?
The city didn't have anything to say about this, but it's clear they're getting tired of Grizide's help. Every time they repair a spot, a new marking shows up. But Grizide makes no apologies. Even if it doesn't get fixed, he feels he's at least warning people of the danger.
If I made a mistake and put down paint where, didn't have to be, step over that mother, and go someplace else, I got plenty of paint, I know where the store's at.
And anyone who tries to talk him out of this had better hang on tight. It's liable to be a bumpy ride. In Santa Rosa, John Ramos, CBS 5.